Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to The Smart Programmer, and today we are going to learn another very important and very interesting topic, which is that how to get your drive information by using a Python language. And one more thing, by just writing a single line of code. So how simple and how cool it is. Usually people use the command prompt tool for getting their drive information, because Windows provide a specific or a particular command for getting the drive information, but today we are going to use that command in Python language for getting our drive information or drive details. So please be with me and don't miss any part. So before we move on, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. So let's get started. First of all, we have to import our module, which is the OS module. OS means operating system module, and now we are going to write the single line of code. Believe me, just a single line of code. And here I'm writing os.system and put here this single quotes, and now I'm writing here CMD. CMD stands for command prompt, and then /k, and now put the double quotes and write here WMIC. WMI stands for Windows Management Interface Command, and this is the basic command for getting our drive information. Write here logical disk and list brief, BRIEF. So list brief, this word will get the complete information of our drive, even the provider name, the free space, the use space, and everything about it. So the logical disk, so WMIC logical disk list brief. So this is the command. Just 4 to 5 words are in this command, and you have to learn this command. Okay, now just be with me and run this program and check. Yes, wow, it's giving the complete information. Unfortunately, in my PC there is only C drive. If you have D drive, E drive, F drive, different drives are in your PC, so it will give the information of all the drive, but I have only C drive in my PC, so it's giving the C drive. So device ID is C drive, drive type is 3, free space, this is the free space, and it's here provider name is empty, but size is this, and this is the free space, and everything is given here. So if we want to get a particular information, like if I want to get just the free space, just write here get free space, and you just terminate this program and run it again, and you can see this, it is just showing the free space. And if you want to get the size, just write here size. Okay, just first terminate the program and now run it again. So it is giving the size here. So just changing the name or the attribute, you can get the particular information according to your choice. Or if you write here, as we write before, list brief, BRIEF, so just terminate it and run it again. So it's giving the complete information about your drive. So how simple it is, and hope you learned something from this lecture and hope you understand this. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos, and be with me and support my channel. And bye for now, take care, and Allah Hafiz.